Welcome back, guys. And in any phone, any Android phone or any phone, if you want to call without sim, then what you need to do, of course that call will not last for several minutes and it will have some limitations, but it is possible. How? I am going to tell you in this video. If you like the video after watching this, please do consider to subscribe this channel. See, this phone is in flight mode and internet is working. I have already made a video how you can surf internet in flight mode. So I will just go to the Google Chrome and just search for globe phone. As soon as you will search, this will open. Here you can free online phone, you can share, you can SMS also, you can call also. Suppose you want to call, so as this phone is in flight mode, sim will not be used. Just type it here, enter your name here. Just suppose I am giving tech fan. You can put your name here, just go next. Here now what will happen, select country code from which country you belong, and after that name, and then call. Of course this call will not last for several minutes and you will have some issues initially, but if the call is not connecting in the first time, you can go outside and again enter and try. So this is a good way to call anyone when your sim is not working, has broken. So in that emergency condition, this can be used. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, and if you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.